Welcome back to my channel. It's Stitch Fix unboxing day. You're probably asking yourself, did you just do a Stitch Fix unboxing? And you'd be right, I did. Stitch Fix said they'd waive the styling fee if I've received another box. And I'm headed on vacation the next couple weeks. And I thought it'd be a great time to get some new outfits, or maybe to find some new outfits. So I told them to go ahead and send the box. We've got Holly here. All you can see is her body. Today's her birthday. She is 12 years old today. We got her when she was 1 year old. We adopted her at the Humane Society. She's been with us for 11 years and we absolutely adore her. So she's having a good day today. We're gonna celebrate her later this evening, maybe with a pup cup or a special cookie for her. So if you're new here, I'm Karen and my stats are I'm 4'11", so I'm considered petite. I'm 117 pounds and I'm 58 years old. Actually gonna be 58, I'm 57 for the next couple weeks, so we'll hold on to that. And I love to do unboxings, and my husband and I are just we're kind of all over the place with our channel. So if that's something that sounds like fun to you, you like chaos, please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you along for the ride. And I will go ahead and get into the box and see what's inside. I haven't looked. That's kind of fun. I think it's fun to be surprised with you. And I'll try on the clothes, and we'll see what if I like anything. If I don't like anything, we'll discuss pricing. We'll kind of discuss quality. And we'll see and kind of go from there. So let's go ahead and get into the box and see what they sent us this time. All right, we've got a big box this week. My goodness, it's a big one. Probably one of the bigger ones that I've received. Let's see what we got inside. Holly, you want to see what we have? Oh, looks like we've got a couple stacks here. So there's stack number 1. Fun. And then we've got another big one here. That's stack number 2. I see a lot of polka dots and some checkers in there. Checks. Woo. And then it looks like maybe a pair of shoes and a shoe sleeve. I don't think I've received shoes. I received tennis shoes before. All right, what do we have? Let's take a peek. Of course, they send you the self-addressed envelope for your returns. They make that really simple for you to check out online, like we've discussed in the past. Let's see here. Looks like my stylist was Erica. She says, Karen, you're back. How was your trip to Hawaii? We went to Kauai and we got pretty much rained out, but it was still lovely. I'm so excited to be styling your spring celebrations fix and to help you get ready for Vegas and the Bruno Mars concert. What a fun way to spend your birthday. And that is correct. That's what we're gonna do. That's where we're gonna be. I love Bruno Mars. Absolutely love Bruno Mars. You made such a chic choice with a navy fume mode dress from the preview. So I did go in and looked at some items that I could add to my fix. And there's a polka dotted blue sundress that I thought was pretty, so I added that. So the rest of the stuff I don't know anything about. It says it feels perfect for a special dinner or the show itself. For a mix and match outfit option, try the sleek black Lucy Paris midi skirt with the off-white Daniel Rain mixed media knit. Dressy enough for a night out, but still easy to wear. I added the green skies, our blue blazer, as a polished layer you can pop over the dress or the Daniel Renan top if you want to be more tailored vibe for dinners or the casino. And it does get cold in the casino, so I'm always looking for like a sweater, a little bit of a jacket, something to keep me warm. Finish any of these looks with the beige Me Too wedge for a bit of lift that should still be walkable for the strip. Have the happiest birthday. Well, that was very sweet. And yeah, you do need comfortable shoes when you head to Vegas because I walk a lot. I average probably over 20,000 steps when I go to Vegas. I walk a lot. Just ask my sister. All right, so what do we have first? We are going to open up the sleeve with the shoes. And these are Me Too shoes, and it says shiny wedge. Oh wow, look at those. They've got a little sparkle. I don't know if that's coming through. Those are cute. Little strap. And then the wedge heel. The color is beige. They're size 6 and they're $89.95. Those are cute. Really versatile. Okay. And then next we'll start with the little stack first. This is the Daniel Rain, and it looks like it is the mixed media knit top, off-white, size small, and it's $59. Okay, So it's ribbed, and then it's got a cute little lace sleeve. I don't know if that's coming across. Yeah, you can see that. Like a little bit of embroidered sleeve, a little bit of a puff sleeve. That's really sweet. Next we have, let's see here. This is the it's 41 Hawthorne Gabriel embroidered blouse. And this is in blue, size small, and it's $49. So just a blue pinstripe blouse with a little flower embroidery right here. That's sweet as well. One of my favorite colors, other than green, is blue. So this kind of fits that. And then this looks like the green blazer. And this is, let's see, skies are blue, open front blazer, color green, size small, and this is $90. And it's just like a knit material with a little bit of a cuff sleeve, very soft, a little bit of a sheen to it. Pretty green. Okay, and then the second stack here's the dress. And this is the dress that I chose from the preview. There's a lot of material here. We'll see how this works out for me. It's got an elastic bodice here. And this right here is, let's see. This is the Few Moda Calypso dress in navy, small petite. So it is petite, so lengthwise, hopefully it fits. And it's $98. But a cute little sundress, maybe with a jean jacket just to kind of stay warm over my shoulders, but I'll give that a whirl. She is very long. And then again, we've got some more like asymmetrical polka dots here. This looks like Lucy Paris Amari midi skirt in black, size small. And this looks like it is $88. It looks kind of see-through. We'll see when I try it on, but it looks a little see-through. Kind of thin fabric. Again, a lot of fabric. I don't know about this one. This is not petite, so we'll see if that one's going to be too long. And then these are interesting. This looks like, let's see, what do we have here? This is a capri pant. This is Just USA. I am going to butcher the name of that. Mignonet capri pant in black, too petite, $64. Yeah, it is a capri. I don't know how I feel about these, but we'll give them a whirl. Pockets in the back, pockets in the front. Interesting. Okay, well, we'll keep an open mind to that. And then finally, it looks like we have a pair of jeans. Oh no, these are a pair of jeans. Okay, these look like they're, oh, these are embroidered jeans. This is called Poppy and Grace Floral Embroidered Capri Jeans in blue, size 2, only $44. I don't know, that's pretty cheap. Look how cute that embroider on there is. That's darling. They've got a frayed hem, and these are in, did I say petite? Yeah, no, these are not in petite, but maybe the frayed hem will work. I can cut those if I needed to, if I like them. We'll see. Maybe they'll just fit naturally, but we'll see. Those are darling. Okay. All right, so that's everything in the box. I'll go ahead and try this stuff on and we'll go from there. We'll see what works. Okay, let's jump right into this. So the first thing that I tried on was the item that I actually chose for the box, for this fix. This is the Calypso dress from Few Moda in navy. It's the polka dotted dress in a small petite. And I really like this dress. I think this is a fun addition to my wardrobe. Be great for summertime. It's fun, it's flirty, it's cute. I can wear my sneakers with it. I could wear it with heels. I could wear it with flats. I think it's really versatile. I think it'll be a fun addition for my summer wardrobe. So I am going to keep the sundress. I really, really liked it. It had an elastic bodice and then that cute little ruffle I think is really sweet. So that will be a fun item that I can possibly wear to Vegas. Then next up, I had the open front blazer. That was that green blazer. the green blazer, and I just paired that with a pair of my own jeans, and then a blouse that they sent. This was the mixed media knit top by Daniel Rain, and this was an off-white. And you're not gonna really be able to see it, but that top was extremely tight, so that's unfortunately not going to work for me. And then the green blouse, or green blazer that I wore over that, I don't love the color. I think it's kind of like a muted Kelly green, and I prefer kind of a bright, vibrant Kelly green. It's in knit, very stretchy, very comfortable, rolled sleeve. I really can't pinpoint what it is that I don't love about that. I didn't care for the style, so that item will be going back, but I do think that it is cute. Next up is the Lucy Paris Amari midi skirt in black. And this is the abstract polka dots. And I paired this with that shirt that I spoke about, the mixed media knit top in off-white. And you can see here that it's pretty snug. The skirt itself is darling, but unfortunately, I think I am short-waisted. So when I brought that up to my natural waist, there just wasn't a lot of room between my chest and my waist. And I just don't think it was very flattering. Also, there's a lot of fabric in that skirt. I did like the little slit in the front, and it has pockets, so probably cute on somebody who's a little bit taller. And it wasn't in the petite version of that skirt. Maybe they didn't have it. So that is gonna be going back. Next up is the Poppy and Grace floral embroidered capri jean. And this had the little bit of the floral embroidered on the pockets in the front. And I just paired that with this pink sweater that I had on my own, not from Stitch Fix. And I like the jeans themselves. They are a wide bottom. I just paired them with my sneakers, as you see here on the screen. But I didn't love them. I don't really need the extra stress of trying to figure out what is going to match these jeans. They're darling, and I'm sure that somebody could style them really well, but that's just something that's not my specialty. I just feel like that's just too much work. So even though they're cute, they fit, they were comfortable, those are probably gonna go back, because I just need a neutral jean that's easy to style. Now, the surprise for me in this Stitch Fix was the capri pant, the black and white checker. And I still don't know whether or not they're flattering on me or not. That's the big question. You just don't really know when you're doing this yourself. So you guys let me know. But I actually like these pants, and they're fun. I think that they're just fun. They have, to me, just the kind of scream, fun, vibrancy, cute. I think that I could wear them with my flats, or that I could wear them with a sneaker. They were very comfortable. I think that they were flattering. I just paired that with a short sleeve cardigan top that I received in another stitch that I got previously. And I feel like you could probably do a lot of different styling with those checkered jeans. So I believe that I'm going to be keeping those, and those were $64. So the last item that I have here that I tried on was the Gabriella embroidered blouse. This is the blue and white blouse with the embroidered floral on the shoulder. I like this. I thought it was pretty. It was a size small, and I think maybe I would need like an extra small. It felt like there was a lot of fabric around me. And then the puff sleeves, I just didn't feel like it was extremely flattering for me. So that's going back, even though I really wanted to like that, because I do think that's a really sweet and cute blouse. And then finally, the shiny wedge. Unfortunately, they were just too big. They slipped off my feet. They were a size 6, but when I tried them on, they didn't work. And so I'm going to send those back. Those were $90 for those shoes. So if I'm gonna spend $90 for a pair of shoes, they better work, and they better be a workhorse for me, especially when I'm going to Las Vegas, because I do a lot of walking. So that's it for this Stitch Fix, this box here. I will be keeping, it looks like a couple of items. Let's show my sweet dog Holly here. And then the rest is gonna go back. Not a great success for this box, but that's okay, they all can't be. And I feel like I got a couple of items that I can pack and take on my travels with me. So thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Would love to have you here. And I hope that everybody's going to have a happy spring, a wonderful spring, and looking forward to the summertime and some more sunshine and all those flowers that are going to be popping up here soon. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.